Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and today I'm talking about my very favorite kitchen appliances made by a company called Omorc, and they're going to bring to you, for those sale days, really great products. And you can get these delivered before the holidays. Black Friday and Cyber Monday are the best times of the year to get the best prices. And then they're also discounting their price as time rolls on. I have a lot of friends and family that are getting married, and these make terrific wedding presents because every newlywed needs to set up a kitchen with the best in the market of the current technology so that they can cook their meals at home and enjoy a quiet dinner without a lot of fuss. My top 3 recommendations of all the products I use over the entire year are these from Omorc. My first Omorc product I tried was their air fryer. I created the secret recipe for Kentucky Fried Chicken, and the video went viral. You can see it at the end of this video. I'm going to stick it there. The recipe was delicious, and the air fryer cooked that chicken super crispy. This air fryer has the best of features. Let me tell you about this air fryer. This Omorc Air Fryer is 5.8 quarts. I like the large size because I like to cook a large quantity of food. The way they work is there's such a rapid air circulation in them. It fries the food really quickly from the exterior, which will give you really crispy food. It's super great for French fries and anything you think of that you like fried, but there's no added oil, so it's so much healthier for you. So for this air fryer, click the link below and you're gonna get this Omorc air fryer. My next favorite kitchen appliance of this year is the Sous Vide. Omorc Sous Vide works the best, is the best priced, and is whisper quiet. A sous vide is a cooking stick that you put in water and you just plug it into the wall. You put your food in a plastic bag in a big pot of water. You stick your sous vide stick in there and you set the time you want and the temperature you want. And my very favorite dish to make with a sous vide is a beef roast. And that's because I can cook it all night long. And by the second day, at a very low temperature, like for medium rare, you can get a super tender piece of beef. The sous vide makes more tender beef than any oven technique or any grill technique. When you take your steak out and it's perfectly cooked, at that point, you brown it any way you want. It could be the oven, it could be the stovetop, or it could be your grill. It'll look beautiful, but the interior is exactly the way you want your beef. But of course, it goes for chicken, it makes the best salmon, and it makes great vegetables. I've done everything with my sous vide, and I can do an entire meal in a container of water with this Omorc Sous Vide. How it works is there's a heat element inside, and there's a pump that's going to circulate water. You have to put your water level between max and min on this. So when your water evaporates, you got many hours before you would have to add more water. It'll heat up in about 5 minutes, an entire big, huge pot of water. That is the coolest technology in a heating element I've ever seen in my entire life. No kidding. Easy to use by placing a clip on the sous vide all the way to the top, and then placing the clip on your pot, and there's a screw to tighten. Or you can use a plastic container of any kind because it's adjustable. It'll fit on any type of container that will hold water for you. And it never gets to the boiling point, so you don't have to worry about melting plastic. It's really an amazing cooking invention. The Omorc Sous Vide cooker is a BPA-free thermal immersion circulator. That's the official definition. It's got a full touchscreen control with a very accurate temperature and time adjustment. It is ultra quiet, and it's kitchen safe if you have kids running around. And Omorc sends you a free recipe book with every sous vide, so you can get the hang of it really fast. If I have a dinner party, I need 20 pounds of a roast. This I can do a day or 2 ahead of time slowly, and I get amazing dishes that my friends love. And what an amazing low price for a kitchen appliance, and one that'll cook anything you want. It's incredibly high quality with the BPA-free stainless steel, so it lasts. It's not going to rust. My top recommendation goes to this Omorc Sous Vide, so click the link below and check this out. And check out this amazing Omorc Smoothie Blender. This Omorc Smoothie Blender has a super powerful 900-watt motor. The speed is up to 18,000 rotations a minute, so that's going to blend anything with power like that. So it's going to pulverize your fruits and your vegetables in seconds, and it will extract and lock most of the nutrients and vitamins from the food. So it's great for smoothies, protein shakes, fruit juice, anything quickly and easily that's going to keep all those vitamins in, so you're nourished by what you make at home with your raw ingredients. When you unlock it and pull it out, you twist off the top, and there are all those strong blades. Because there's 6, it'll chop even ice and really tough things to get blended smooth. This is a full 32-ounce container. That's 4 cups. It also has a smaller size that's only 18 ounces. That's 2 1/4 cups. So whether you want it large at 32 ounces or small at 18 ounces, you got your choice. So choosing your size may depend on what the day ahead looks like. And you get 2 of the lids. So you can take it on the go with high quality lids that screw on, twist tight, and gulp up. And it's not going to spill if it gets turned over because it's made to be leak proof. So this is great to take in the car on your road trips for after school pickup and to the gym, maybe a beach walk. The containers with the lids travel everywhere. And all the parts of the Omorc Smoothie Blender are easy to wash and dishwasher safe, making for an easy cleanup. So click the link below to get the Omorc Smoothie Blender, as well as any of these other appliances. These are my top recommendations for this year's terrific counter appliances. Comment and tell me what your favorite kitchen appliance is and what your recipes are, and I want to check that out. Have fun shopping for Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and any time of the year for your kitchen or a present for your friends. I'm Rebecca Brand, subscribe to my channel and ring my bell to get notified of the next video I release. And let's keep making great recipes in life, like ones that are really easy to make with the top of the line, highest technology and highest quality at a really good price. See you next time. And if you like this video, check out these because they all can be made with these appliances.